over here. And by the way, when you if you'll see any of these positive reflexes, you kind of have to rub them out, kind of like you can't do this because that's not going to do any good.
Oh, the liver's here, but I go up here.
Yeah,
Okay.
George Chapman found out the fifth intercostal space was the neurolymphatic reflex for the liver. It's kind of funny. You're usually in the same area, but
Is it just placing and pressing, or just placing?
Just placing your hand. Good question. You don't touch it hard. Just place your hand here. The electromagnetic energy from your hand will activate that reflex. And if there's a problem there, your arm will temporarily go weak. And see, and it is. So there's a problem. Take your hand away, push hard, and go. So we don't know what it is. I mean, it could be a bunch of reasons. It's not the purpose of this class. Now, where's your belly button here? So we're going to go 2 inches up, and let's just pick the left adrenal reflex and just touch. You don't have to touch hard. And let's see if the arm loses strength, and it does. Take your hand away, push hard. So we have, so far we touched the liver reflex, Arthur's arm goes weak, the left adrenal reflex. Let's see what happens. By the way, if you have the left one, 98% chance it's going to be the right one too. Not always though. But I'd say most of the time, go ahead and push hard. Okay, so Arthur has all 3 off. Of course, when you don't touch it, you're nice and strong. So you can volunteer for, but I'll show you how, and it's a circular motion, and again, you have to go kind of hard. You might, if it's sensitive, that means that's an active reflex. And you can count if you want, 5 spaces down from the clavicle on the right. And is that a little sensitive here? Yeah. Okay, good. I can push harder then, right? I was in a bad mood today. I didn't have my morning coffee. Okay, so let's see if that did it. And if it didn't, if you still touch it and you go weak, we just have to do it longer or push harder. So put your hand right here for me if you could. And push hard, and now that should... Okay, so right now, the liver reflex is fine. Everyone following this along? Yeah, it's pretty